Hannah is a hairdresser. She cuts hair at a small hairdressing salon called Philosophy. 5 hairdressers work at the salon with Hannah. They cut both women's and men's hair at Philosophy. Hannah enjoys her job as a hairdresser.
I like my work. I like changing people's style. I usually work from 9 till 5:30. On a Thursday I work from 9 till 7. And on a Saturday I work from 9 till 4 o'clock. I don't work on Fridays or Sundays.
Hannah doesn't drive, so she takes the bus to and from work.
I live quite far from work. Sometimes it takes 2 hours on the bus to get to work.
When she's not at work, she likes spending time with her family and friends.
In my free time, I like to go shopping, relax, socialise with my friends, and I don't think about work. I think I have a good work-life balance.
Matt is a paramedic. He works for the ambulance service. He works in a 999 medical emergency control centre and drives an ambulance car. In the control centre, he answers medical emergency calls. Sometimes people don't need an ambulance, they need medical advice. So Matt helps them. When he's in the ambulance car, he drives to emergencies and helps people.
I love my job. I like helping people. I work many hours. I work days and night shifts. When I work a day shift, I normally work from 7 a.m. in the morning through to 7 p.m. in the evening. And then when I work night shifts, it's generally from 7 p.m. in the evening through to 7 a.m. in the morning. I sometimes work late when there's a 999 call at the end of my shift.
Because he works long hours and studies part-time at university, Matt doesn't have much free time.
I enjoy spending time with my family. I have 2 young children, Alexander and Isla, so I have to balance studying and my children. I don't have a good work-life balance. I enjoy my job. It's just tiring, and the night shifts mean that sometimes I'm very tired on my days off. So we'll send out one of the paramedics to come and stitch them in.
Got nothing at the moment. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Cheers. Bye.
My name is Sally and I'm a cake decorator. I work in a shop and I decorate and finish birthday cakes, celebration cakes.
Three cake decorators work in the cake shop with Sally. People come to the cake shop to buy cakes for birthdays, weddings, or other special occasions. They don't bake the cakes in the shop, but they decorate them with amazing designs. People watch the cake decorators work.
I love my job. Every day is different. Every order we have here at the shop is different, so no day is ever the same. I work 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. I don't work late. I leave for work at 7 o'clock in the morning, and I travel by van into work, and it takes 1 hour 20 minutes.
When she's not at work, Sally is very busy.
I enjoy gardening and cooking at home, reading. I just enjoy spending time with my family. I like my job, I love my time at home, so I do have a good work-life balance.
How you doing? Good. I'm looking to get some flowers.
My name is Rob Palliser. I'm a florist and I work at Scott's Flowers in New York City.
Scott's Flowers is a flower shop in Midtown Manhattan. The shop is very big and it's full of beautiful flowers. Rob's job is very busy.
I make bouquets every day and I arrange flowers for all different kinds of parties, birthday parties, weddings, and other kind of events. I talk with customers every day. I also take orders on the phone every day, and I do deliveries.
Okay.
Bye. Being a florist is a fun job. I like it very much. I like talking to people. I like using my hands, and I like being creative. Every day I wake up at 7 a.m. I take the train into the city, and I get to the flower shop at 9 a.m. and I leave every day at 5 p.m. When I'm not working, I enjoy relaxing, watching TV, meeting new people, going out with my friends, and I'm a DJ. I think it's difficult to have a good work-life balance. I work a lot of hours, but when I am off, I enjoy my free time. Okay. Thanks very much. Okay. Thanks. Thank you.